Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove Meta AI from Facebook. So first step you need to do is to open Facebook and click here. This is the Meta AI, but there is no option how to remove. So you need to go back and you need to open Play Store and search for the Facebook. Click on that, click on Facebook and you need to uninstall Facebook application. Once you complete that, you need to go back and you need to open the any browser. Once you open, you simply need to search for Facebook old version. Click on that and you can see different websites. So you can go on any website and download the old version, and you need to log in into your account on that version. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.